This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I'm in Church Hill. And today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is located here in a gorgeous, renovated, historic block of Church Hill. If you're at all familiar with this area, you know that there has been an amazing amount of renovation and revitalization taking place here. One of the best parts about this house is it is very walkable. We are within walking distance to a grocery store, to shops, to cafes, to the highway. We are close to MCV, VCU, downtown. There's just so much that is within a short walk or drive of this property. Richmond is not known for walkability, but this home definitely does offer it. I love this home because we have a little bit of both worlds, both the old school as far as architecture and new school as far as finishes. And you're going to see here momentarily exactly why I say that. You see here from the shot of the street view, we have an amazing number here within the next block and this block of homes that have already been done. All right, let's go on and then take a look. This home is 95% complete, so we have a few nickel dime things that still need to be done, but this will give you a good idea of exactly what this home has to offer. I love some of the modern finishes that were put in. We do have a nice low maintenance floor here. This is actually a tile material. Notice the natural wood with the wire there. That is a really nice modern look. Of course, we have our open floor plan. Here to the right is going to be our laundry closet, your washer and dryer would go right there. We have a 3/4 bath here on the first floor, which is unusual. Normally, in the homes in this area are just going to simply have a powder room. Not only do we have the vessel sink there, but we have a gorgeous tile shower. These types of showers are showers that you typically would see in the primary, not in a secondary bathroom. So I love what the developer did. Speaking of special touches, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You've got a big button there and you've got a little button there. I'm going to let you figure out exactly why you would use the big button and the little button, but we do of course have the European styled throne there in this bathroom as well. As we continue into the kitchen, our island is quartz, gorgeous quartz. We've got enough space there for probably about 5 short bar stools. Here in the modern style kitchen, you can see, I don't know if I've shown one of these before, you actually have a Wi-Fi enabled refrigerator. AARP did a survey of buyers that were 65 plus, and believe it or not, Wi-Fi enabled appliances were one of the #1 things that grandma wanted in a new home. So there you go, you got it in this one. Love the look, the clean modern look here of this cabinet. I think they still have one other drawer that's going to be installed right there, so that'll be complete. Notice the contrasting cabinetry. We've got the ebony look here with our built-in stove, and that's a lot of capacity there. You've got the electronic controls there. So really nice higher end appliances. And then below, we've got a second one. So Thanksgiving, Christmas, special holidays, you can of course take advantage of all that capacity. We've got the griddle here in the middle, and that's gonna be a 5-burner gas cooktop. Look at the natural light that flows here in the back. We of course have a deck in the rear. We're gonna pop back there momentarily, but I just wanted to give you a shot here from this angle. Of course, we have the stainless dishwasher, our double bowl sink with the commercial grade faucet there. Really interesting pendant lights here, recessed lights. There are just amazing finishes here in this home. Let's pop out back and see what we have here in the rear. We do have an oversized deck. There's really good space here. And then as we go towards the back, we've got good privacy back here, and it's low maintenance. Look at that. Not a whole lot of grass, or any grass to speak of, to cut back there. So if you're the type of person that doesn't like cutting grass, there's not a whole lot here to do in this beautiful home. Give you a shot here of the rear elevation. Just a really good looking exterior. This home is not new construction. There was actually a home built here, and it was obviously a gut rehab. So that gives you an idea of the level of work that's been put into this beautiful home. All right, let's go on upstairs to see what we have in store up there. One of the other things is here, that ridge that you see, that space up there is actually where there's some LED lights. So at night you could turn that on and look really neat. They've already pre-wired there for television. A lot of those modern conveniences have been thought through here on this home. And that's one of the big advantages of a major rehab property, is that a smart developer will go ahead and do that. Here at the top of the steps, our primary is straight ahead. We're going to start here at the front of the house on our hall bath. And here we are. Look at that, just nice and clean look. We've got that tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Recessed lights, vaulted ceiling. This is not something that we typically see in this area. Nice vaulted ceiling here in this bathroom. So it just gives you the feeling of being much, much larger than it actually is. We do have good space here. You can see we're definitely not cramped. And give you a shot here from this side with our vanity. Now, our vent there in the middle of the frame, that is also Wi-Fi enabled. So you can actually play music here into the bathroom via Wi-Fi. Just amazing use of technology. Okay, this is going to be bedroom number one. This is going to be a secondary bedroom. This would be great for a home office or storage or a child's bedroom. Our closet is right here. And of course, they still have to install the rod, but good sized closet. Our bedroom number two is going to be here to the left. And our closet for this one is right here. I just love seeing what these developers have done with some of these older properties. It's truly amazing how much work and thought and creativity goes into them. Top of the stairs is going to be another closet. That'll probably be a linen closet there. I love the fact that here in our primary, they gave us really nice closet space. That, of course, is going to be your primary bath. And here for the closet space, we have a door there and a door here. So I'm going to go in this side. Notice they don't swing open, so that makes it much easier to plan as far as furniture goes. So we are actually inside this space called the closet. And you have the ability in here, it's deep enough. We've probably got about 4 feet here. So you can actually do compartmentalization here, some custom work if you wanted to really maximize that space. You've got enough space to do that in that large closet. All right, here it goes. This is where the magic is. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 3 shower heads. One will hit you from the right, one will hit you from the left, and then one will hit you overhead. I love what they did here. We, of course, have the recessed lights. Beautiful stonework here all the way through. Just a really well done shower. Of course, these are going to be, actually, now that I look at it, these fixtures here, these are going to be nozzles because there's nothing else they could be. Water is definitely going to flow out of those. So you're really going to get an amazing shower experience with water hitting you from all types of angles. Just makes me feel good to look at that. All right, here is going to be our double vanity. They still have to install mirrors there. And then on the opposite side, we see that same throne technology right there built in. So I love the styling that took place here in this beautiful home. All right, wow, I am thrilled that Jasmine Douglas was kind enough to allow us to come in and take a look at this beautiful home. If you have questions about this or any other property on the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, subscribe, and like. I really appreciate that. That helps me out. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.